Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my wash day routine. So this is typically how my hair looks after about 2 to 3 weeks. So I had it in about 6 braids for a week and a half, and then I released it and it looks like this. And once it gets like this, it's time for me to wash it again. So typically when I wash my hair, depending on how dry or how much product I put in my hair, I'll either really wash it good with the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength, or I will just co-wash with the As I Am Classic Coconut Co-Wash. My hair isn't that bad today, so I'm just going to co-wash it, and I'm going to show you guys this process as I redo my hair. So now I have washed out all of the As I Am products, and now I'm going to deep condition with the Carol's Daughter Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. Again, I'm going to break my hair off into sections. I'm not going to use a ton of product because my hair is like soaking wet, so this should get the job done. And when I deep condition, I don't rub the product back on my scalp. I just pretty much get all of my hair. And make sure you get the ends really well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other 2 sides. At this point, I put my shower cap on and I go sit under my steamer for about 30 to 45 minutes. And for those wondering how much hair I lost, this is my brush. So this is the amount. And this isn't bad at all considering that I have not combed my hair in 3 weeks. So this is the hair steamer that I use. I go ahead and press both buttons. And then I flip this to, like I said, 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna put it over here with a 50 and sit under it. So I sat under my steamer, and now I'm going to rinse out all of the deep conditioner, and then I'll be back to style my hair on camera. I finish up my hair routine by putting my hair in some twists or braids just like this. And all I do is I use the lock method. So I use a leave-in. Typically I choose my Cream of Nature Argan Oil spray. The oil that I'm using today is Egyptian jojoba oil. The cream will be TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer, along with the TGIN Sweet Honey Hair Milk. I will list all of the products in the description box. I always style my hair when it's wet. So I wet my hair. And then I apply my leave-in. I I pump a little oil into my hand. Rub it on my hair. Oh, and I also apply some oil to my scalp. And now I put a little bit of cream on my hand. And simply just twist my hair up. My hair is like always white like this, but my hair just soaks up all this cream. And then they feel like big and juicy. And that is really all I do to my hair. Y'all, I just turned 30 yesterday and I seen like 5 gray hairs in my head. So obviously my hair is letting me know that I'm starting to get old. But I'm grateful and I thank God for this old age, you guys. I do this every 2 to 3 weeks. And the thing I love about my twists is that like they start out long, but then they start to shrink up. And I love how much they shrink up. Like sometimes they get to like to my chin, and I just love that short little look. I throw a scarf on with this. I can put my hair into a bun. I can do so much. I can multitask and work out with my hair. But yeah, really this is all I do to my hair. And every 2 to 3 days I will go in with my oil and just oil up my scalp, make sure my hair stays moisturized. So also over the weekend I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for your support. Thank you for all the new people who have recently subscribed to my channel, and thank you for my people who've been here for me since day one. I really appreciate it. And for a small token of my appreciation, I wanted to give away 5 of my favorite deep conditioners. I reviewed all of the deep conditioners. I will list them below, but it's going to be the Carol's Daughter Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey, Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the Advanced Clinicals Coconut Deep Hydration Hair Mask, and the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. So I will be giving 5 different deep conditioners to 4 different people. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do it just yet, but more information will be in my description box. I believe all I want you to do is just, number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and then all I want you to do is just comment your personal favorite deep conditioner below. But I will need to see proof of the subscription, so I'm thinking you may have to email me, so I'll figure it out. Just read the description box below. But I really just want to thank everyone for your support. I will be doing many more giveaways. I am glad to be able to share some information on my channel, and I hope that everyone finds the information useful. I hope you guys like my sewing videos. I like to sew, I like to do my hair, I like to do a lot of different things, but that's like primarily the 2 things that I show on my channel. So I'm hoping that you guys will be looking forward to more videos from me, and I will be doing many more giveaways. So again, thank you all for your support. Thank you all for watching this video. And yeah, that's it. I will see you all next time. Bye.